Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this like yellow and blue star frame over your videos on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video right here. I'm just going to adjust it. You can go to adjustments and add some stuff, but you're just going to go to effects and you're going to search for it because I cannot for the life of me actually find it. So just type in yellow and blue. And this will show up. They also have this one, which is the like autumn one, but I really like this one. Definitely suits like the beach vibe the most. I'm very struggling to talk right now. And I'm going to just go to adjustments and I'm going to adjust the temps a little bit just to match the kind of video, the frame. And I also like to add in dots for like a more retro effect. Just delete the colors and the filters here, and you can also adjust the rest of the size as well as the texture, so it looks like a photo frame. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You can't really find it, you have to actually like search for it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!